We'll have a look at the first question. In the passage, the description of Virginia's experience with the tornet illustrates which aspect of her relationship with music? Okay, the description of her experience with the tornet illustrates which aspect of her relationship with music. Let's read the passage now. She had started playing the cello when she was 9, shortly after the move to Arizona. At the beginning of the school year in Akron, every child in the 4th grade had been issued a pre-instrument called a tornet so that the teacher could determine who had an aptitude for music. Virginia had liked the neatness of the tornet, its modest musical range, and how it fit into her school desk on the right side. Whenever she covered a finger hole, she felt the contour of its slightly raised lip and imagined that she was playing the tentacle of an octopus. Now we have the passage here. We know the question. The question is, in this passage, the description of Virginia's experience with a tornet illustrates which aspect of her relationship with music? How do we do this question? So what we do is first we paraphrase the question in our own words. We'll try to look for the context. So what is the question in our own words? The question is, how did Virginia find the tornet? Right? Did she find it interesting? Did she find it boring? Did she find it thrilling? And what was her relationship with music? So through how she finds her tornet, how she finds the tornet, through that what can we know about her relationship with music? So we know that the context is line 13 to 18. Once you get the context, just always try to answer in your own words, right? So what kind of relationship can you see her in music? Okay, so we get the context like this. Virginia had liked the neatness of the tornet, right? Sounds very positive. Its modest musical range. So whenever she covered a finger hole, she felt the contour of its slightly raised lip and imagined she was playing the tentacle of an octopus. So we know from this, it's very clearly given that she really likes the tornet. Okay, so we can come up with our own words. We can clearly say she really liked the tornet, right? The tornet was appealing to her. It shows her love for the tornet, right? You can come up with your own words this way. Once that is clear, we can go to step number 3. We're going to use process of elimination. We're going to see which option is close to showing her love for the tornet or liking the neatness of the tornet. So the correct answer, let's look at the options. So let's look at the options here. Her extraordinary aptitude for music at a young age, her early interest and commitment to music, her initial fear of failure as she learned to play music, or her resentment as a child of time required to practice music. So from these options, we know that something that she liked the neatness of the tornet, that's very close to her early interest and commitment to music. So with that, we can finalize option B. It's her early interest and commitment to music. So what do we know about her relationship with music? It's the commitment that we can see to music. So option B should be the right answer.